The Micargi Storm electric mountain bike is perfect for anyone traveling off-road or on mountain trails. It is also great for the daily commute. The Micargi Storm electric bike features a 36V, 350W Tongsheng mid-drive motor, giving it lots of torque for climbing up and traversing rough terrain. It has a top speed of 20 miles per hour, and it can travel long distances and tackle uphills. The Micargi Storm electric bike is equipped with a premium Samsung lithium-ion battery with 10 amp-hour capacity. The bike has a single charge range of up to 30 miles. The Micargi Storm electric fat bike features a throttle and 5 levels of pedal assist. The bike has a torque sensor, which provides more power when pedaling harder for accurate speed control. Choose minimal assist to increase the bike range, or choose to engage maximum assist when riding uphill or on rugged terrain. Or, use the throttle to speed up effortlessly. The Micargi Storm features a Shimano Altus 8-speed transmission and derailleur so you can ride like an ordinary bike. The Micargi Storm electric bike is a sporty mountain bike, presenting 27.5-inch double-walled spoked alloy rims and a redesigned top tube made to handle the extra stress of mountain biking. This is a genuinely durable design made for everyday use and made to last. The bike frame is made with a strong 6061 aluminum alloy and stainless steel. Buy yours now at Electric Bike Paradise and save hundreds of dollars in total savings. We ensure you the lowest price available, free shipping to lower 48 of USA, no sales tax outside Wyoming, and other Electric Bike Paradise exclusive promos and freebies. Limited stock on hand, so get yours now before they're gone. Welcome to Electric Bike Paradise, your #1 source to find the best electric bikes for sale. We're dedicated to giving you the very best electric bikes, with a focus on selection, quality, and uniqueness. Shop our selection of name brand electric bikes today and get free shipping plus no sales tax and more.